Hi everybody, Bell from East Coast Mommy. I have all new Easter ideas for you today, and you are going to love these. For this first one, you're going to need this free printable from my blog, some dollar store jelly beans, and some goodies. I picked both of these up at my local Dollarama. Start by printing the Magic Jelly Beans template from my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. Then you cut it out and use double-sided tape or glue to make it into an envelope. I printed mine on cardstock so it was nice and sturdy, but if you just print it on plain paper, that's fine too. The cute thing about this envelope is it's from the Easter Bunny, so it's perfect to stick in an Easter basket. The directions are: plant these magic jelly beans in a bowl of sugar before going to bed on Easter Sunday. Then on Monday morning, there will be a sweet surprise for you. Love, the Easter Bunny. I added jelly beans from the dollar store to my little envelope. Make sure you match the number of jelly beans in the envelope with the number of treats that are going to magically appear in the morning. How cute is this for an Easter basket? So, this is the fun part. Before the kids go to bed on Easter Sunday, they can plant their magic jelly beans from the Easter Bunny in little bowls of white sugar. Then, on Monday morning, the children will be delighted to discover that their magic jelly beans from the dollar store have been transformed into something else. I use these chocolate suckers from my local Dollarama and these foil covered carrots. I think this is super cute and magical. Seriously, how fun is this idea? Next up is a fun, free, non-candy option for Easter baskets. I designed these bunny bedtime passes, and you can download them for free on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. You simply print them, cut them, insert the child's name, and add them to a basket. Doesn't get much easier than this one. These coupons are super cute in an Easter basket, or you can pop them inside plastic eggs for an Easter egg hunt. Recently, I was at my local Dollarama and I found these little chocolate bunnies, and I knew they'd be perfect for something that I had planned. I picked up 3 of them because I have 3 sons and I tend to always buy everything in threes. I melted some chocolate and I grabbed some sucker sticks. I flipped the bunny over and then I took one of the sucker sticks and dipped it in the chocolate and attached it to the back of the bunny. Then I took some chocolate, put it on the back, and allowed it to dry. I used lots. It wasn't the neatest thing. If you wanted to use a little bit less and make it a little smoother, that'd be fine too. But I wasn't too fussy about it. I just wanted to make sure that it didn't fall off. Then you let the chocolate harden and it's ready to go. I love these little chocolate bunnies, but it works with larger ones too. You just do the same thing, flip it over, put some chocolate on the stick, secure it with more chocolate, and that's it. Once the chocolate has hardened, you're going to want to wrap them for gifting. I love these little cellophane bags from the dollar store. You just insert the chocolate sucker and secure it with some ribbon. These bags actually come with little strips of white ribbon, but I had this lacy dollar store ribbon in my stash, and I thought it would be super cute for this. Seriously, aren't these so cute? They're great for Easter baskets and they make perfect party favors. They're adorable just like this, but if you wanted to add an extra special touch, you can personalize them. Grab some tags from the dollar store, use a Sharpie to add a name, and then attach them to the suckers. I love this idea. And if you're celebrating Easter with kids this year, consider making some crafts with them. I have some great options on my blog, and cookie trays are always a hit. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite idea from this video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.